होमोफोन्स इन इंग्लिश, इंग्रजीतील होमोफोन्स. अध्ययन निष्पत्ती, लर्निंग आउटकम्स. अंडरस्टँडिंग होमोफोन्स helps learners differentiate between similar sounding words and choose the correct spelling. Learning homophones exposes learners to a wider range of words and their meanings, expanding their vocabulary. होमोफोन्स म्हणजे असे इंग्रजी शब्द ज्यांचे स्पेलिंग वेगळे असते पण उच्चार मात्र सारखेच असतात. DEER, deer. Deer means हरिण. DEAR, deer. Deer means प्रिय. SUM, sum. Sum means berries. SOME, some. Some means काही. SEE, see. See means पाहणे. SEA, sea. Sea means समुद्र. WEAK, week. Week means अशक्त. WEEK, week. Week means आठवडा. NIGHT, night means रात्र. KNIGHT, night means सरदार. RIGHT, right means बरोबर किंवा उजवा. WRITE, right means लिहिणे. NOT, not. Not means नाही. KNOT, not. Not means गाठ. POLL, पोल. पोल means मतदान. POLE, पोल. पोल means खांब. SUN, sun. Sun means सूर्य. SON, son. Son means मुलगा. DIP, dip. Dip means बुडविणे. DEEP, dip. Dip means खोल. SELL, sell. Sell means विकणे. CELL, cell. Cell means पेशी. HOLE, hole. Hole means छिद्र. WHOLE, whole. Whole means संपूर्ण. ROOT, root. Root means मूळ. ROUTE, root. Root means मार्ग. MILL, mill. Mill means गिरणी. MEAL, mill. Mill means जेवण. PIECE, peace. Peace means तुकडा. PEACE, peace. Peace means शांतता. PLANE, plane. Plane means विमान. PLAIN, plane. Plane means सपाट. WASTE, waste means कचरा. WAIST, waste means कंबर. M-A-L-E male. Male means nर. M-A-I-L male. Male means टपाल. W-E-T wet. Wet means ओला. W-E-I-G-H-T weight. Weight means वजन. Let's play the game of homophones. Tell homophones as fast as possible. B-A-I-L bell. B-E-L-L bell. M-E-A-T meet. M-E-E-T meet. P-A-I-N pen. P-E-N pen. S-E-A-T sit. S-I-T sit. B-U-Y buy. B-Y-E buy. T-A-S-T-E taste. T-E-S-T taste. E-A-T eat. I-T eat. Homework. Write down 20 pairs of homophones.